3/4 pi. We have to convert this to degrees. Degrees are equal 180 degrees over pi times 3/4 pi. Pi and pi will cancel out. 180 and 4, both of them are divisible by 4. This is equal. 180 divided by 4 is 45 over 1 times 3 over 1, of course, degrees. 45 degrees times 3 is equal 135 degrees over 1. 135 degrees over 1 is equal 135 degrees. This is the solution to my problem. In other words, 135 degrees is equivalent to 3/4 pi radians. Let's take a look at the second example. I have 2.35 radians and I have to convert this to degrees. Degrees are equal 180 degrees over pi radians times 2.35 radians. Radians and radians will cancel out. This time I have to use the calculator. Simply type 180 divided by pi times 2.35. This is equal 134.64 degrees. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. Again, I'm going to use the formula. Degrees are equal 180 degrees over pi radians times 0.78 radians. Again, in this case, we're supposed to use the calculator. Radian and radian will cancel out. And simply type into the calculator 180 divided by pi times 0.78. You're supposed to get 44.69 degrees. And this is the solution to my problem.